told you not to talk about my secret occupation, which is a secret. I also had a good evening. Now let me walk you to your car.
Took Stella. Why are you talking like that? And who's Stella anyway? Stella's my girlfriend. We don't need no stinking relationships. Don't ever make fun of Stella again. So will you help me, brother? Very well. It's a quest! First things first, Will. Before you find the stash, you need training. Whatever you say, Bill, I need to find Stella to the Ill Cave.
These roads in Uzbekistan are so windy. It is raining so hard. Oh yay! Screw you too! We have arrived at Devil's Crossing.
I think you're ready. Now let's load up.
Stupid henchman. Look, Phil, the map! Good job, Will!
Uzbekistan! Of course!
Boy, the roads of Uzbekistan are very windy, and it's raining so hard. How eerie.
Invisible henchmen, get them!
You take this guy. I gotta get Stella. Okay, Lady Mustache, give her up.
Giving up is for the birds.
Oh. Oh. Ah.
Don't stick that on the ground.
Enough, Ben.
Ah.
Give me the girl.
Put the gun down or she dies.
Okay. What do you have to say for yourself, El Mustache?
I rigged the bridge with dynamite!
Looks like we're gonna